A very lovely hello to all my class 10 champions. I know your board exam is so close, it's just around the corner, and you must have been preparing for your board exam with complete zeal, passion and enthusiasm. Yes, my dear, because 17 February is your first exam, maths. So I hope you are not wasting your time on all those topics that have been deleted from maths syllabus this year, my dear. So before sitting in examination hall, you should know all those topics that have been deleted from the maths syllabus. So let me clear you from this video. Please focus on this video. Okay, so if I talk about chapter number 1, my dear, from chapter number 1, real numbers, that is real numbers, equality division lemma is deleted, so you don't require to put your effort on these particular topics. Okay, and decimal representation, you know, terminating and non-terminating decimals. So these two portions, these two particular topics have been deleted, so you don't require to revise these things. Chapter number 2, polynomials, division algorithm and its application. You know, when we divide, let's say I'm dividing a cubic polynomial, there is a cubic polynomial something from x plus 1, a linear polynomial. So this is called division algorithm. So this topic have been deleted. So you don't need to do or revision anything regarding this, my dear. If I talk about chapter number 3, pair of linear equations in two variable. So in pair of linear equations in two variable, everything is there, but two topics, cross multiplication method. We know we solve the pair of linear equation in two variables to get the solution x and y. So we are using two methods, substitution method and elimination method. Third one is deleted. So you don't require to revise cross multiplication method, and you don't require to do any question based on cross multiplication. And reduction reforms, like the question is 7 by x plus 1 and minus 6 by x minus y equals to 7. How to solve this linear equation? So in such question, what we used to do, we let 1 by 1 plus x as m and 1 by x minus y as n. So we can reduce this equation, we can write this equation 7m minus 6n equals to 7. This is called reduction. So this topic has been removed from polynomials, from pair of linear equations in two variable, my dear. So we don't require to revise this for exam. Okay, now if I'm moving to chapter number 4, quadratic equation. So from quadratic equation, completing a square method to find out the zeros has been removed. Means we are only using middle term splitting method. We are only applying middle term splitting method and quadratic formula, which is also called Sridharacharya formula. We only using these two formulas to find the zeros, but we are ignoring this one because this year in board exam, this is not included. This has excluded, this are deleted. So completing a square method is not in your syllabus. If I talk about chapter number 6, triangles. So in triangles, everything is there, but area of similar triangles and Pythagoras theorem has excluded, has deleted. Means the ratio of area of two similar triangles. Like I'm taking example, area of similar triangle ABC and PQR. This is equal to the square of corresponding ratio of the sides. So we can write AB by PQ square, or we can also write BC by QR square, or we can also write AC by PR square. So this has deleted. This is deleted. If you are wasting your time on this topic, don't do this. This is not required. This is not relevant for your board exam this year. And Pythagoras theorem, the proof of Pythagoras theorem in any right angle triangle. If this is a right angle triangle, my dear, we can prove AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square by taking two similar triangles, my dear. And based on this Pythagoras theorem, there were so many questions. But as this topic is excluded, deleted, so we don't require to do any question based on Pythagoras theorem. Chapter number 7, coordinate geometry. So coordinate geometry, no deletion. Complete coordinate geometry is there. So no deletion, no any particular topic has deleted, my dear. Complete chapter is there. Means complete chapter is coming. Chapter number 8, introduction to trigonometry. So in introduction to trigonometry, trigonometric ratio of complementary angles. This is not coming. This is not included. Means if I write sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Right. So complementary relation has excluded. Chapter number 9, some application of trigonometry, my dear. Same. Complementary angle is there. Chapter number 10, no deletion. This is complete coming. Complete is included. Completely coming. Okay, so no deletion in circles, complete circle is coming. Chapter number 11, area related to circle. Again, area related to circle is also coming completely, my dear. Nothing has been deleted in this chapter, area related to circle. Area of sector, area of sector, we generally use these two formula. These two formula plays important role. Area of minor sector is theta by 360 pi r square, and length of arc also. Length of arc means length of minor arc, if I talk about, so theta by 360 into 2 pi r. This formula will be used. Now if I talk about chapter number 12, so in surface area and volumes, previously frustum was there, frustum was included, but frustum has deleted this year. Frustum is not coming, and solid conversion. If like there is a solid cylindrical body, solid metallic cylinder is there, and it has melted to form a sphere of radius r. So what will remain same? The volume will remain same. Whenever we recast any solid structure to any different structure, then volume remains same, my dear. By recasting, by converging the shape, the volume never changes, because if this cylinder is made up of iron, the volume amount of iron will remain same. But I'm explaining you for your knowledge, my dear. But for this year, this is not coming. So these two portions has been deleted. These are deleted. Chapter number 13, if I talk about chapter number 13 statistics, cumulative frequency graph is not coming. Yes, my dear. Previously, students were doing more than ogive graph, less than ogive graph to find out the median, my dear. By drawing the more than ogive graph, we can find out the median, when the point at which they intersects, more than ogive and less than ogive. That will give you the median also. But this year, this graph has excluded, my dear. It is not coming. In chapter number 14, probability, optional probability exercise. So optional probability exercise, this is basically no more question will be there, but we have to, as this chapter is very scoring, my dear. If this chapter is coming completely, I think there is nothing challenging, my dear. 2 dices are there. So please prepare these steps, these topics, and 2 dices thrown simultaneously. So apart from this very important information, I am giving you the important topics that you should prepare for your board exam also. 3 coins tossed simultaneously. 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. Please prepare these points. And playing cards. Playing cards, playing cards, 52 playing cards, 52. Deck of well shuffled deck of 52 cards. So please prepare these topics also. So this is all about all the information, very important, that you should know before sitting in your examination hall. If you want any strategy, any maths hack in any particular chapter, please write in comment section your query and your problem, whatever you have, my dear. Thank you so much for watching.